These 5 AI tools have completely changed the way I run my businesses. One of them even helped me double my revenue just recently. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video and I'll show you exactly step by step what tool I used and how I implemented it to double my business's revenue. But I'm sure the reason you clicked on this video is to see which AI tools I have been using, whether they're free or not, and how exactly I'm using them to double my business's revenue. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, but I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I use every single one of these extremely powerful tools to grow my business every single month. Now, I'm sure you've heard this before, but if you're not using AI in your e-commerce business today, you truly are falling behind. And that's just not some sort of scarcity thing to sort of get you scared, to, you know, make you panic. It really is changing the game, and it's changing the game incredibly quickly. I was even just looking back at Q4 last year, and the only AI tool I was really using just a few months ago was ChatGPT, and that was simply to help me with my Shopify product descriptions. Whereas fast forward to now, we're in July, just a few months later, I'm now using a whole host of different AI tools to supercharge my creative process for my marketing. I mentioned in my previous video, I was able to launch over 120 different meta ads in a single day using some of these strategies. So not only does it ramp up the efficiency of your business, you're going to be far further ahead than your competition in terms of creative output. Now, quantity doesn't always mean quality, but with these AI tools, the output is incredibly professional. It's going to save you a ton of time. You're not going to have to work with photographers. You're not going to have to hire photo studios. You can literally make ads in less than 60 seconds. And every single tool I'm going to be mentioning in this video, I literally use every single day. And just to add a little bit of context, just before we get started, these are the Shopify dashboards of my 3 businesses. You can see this one here being the biggest business at the moment, almost $200,000 in sales in the last 30 days. Just like everyone does, I'm going to refresh it just to show you nothing changing there. Almost 200 grand in 30 days. This one here is my small UK business. This is £38,000 a month, but again, extra money, extra profit, extra stream of income. And this here is my newest business, and this is doing about 75k a month in sales at the moment as well. Now make sure you stick around, because the last tool I'll be showing you is the exact tool that I used to double my business's revenue in the last 4 weeks. But we are going to be starting off with ChatGPT. Very simple. I'm not going to say too much about this because I'm sure most of you watching should already have some experience with it. But in terms of the context for my business and how exactly I've been using it, I like to utilize custom GPTs. Now, when you're on ChatGPT, these are essentially pre-built and pre-trained AI tools that are sort of out the box, ready to use instantly in a specific area. So this is one that I use, and it's a great way when you're adding new products to essentially create a good template for a product description. Now, some products, yes, granted, are going to need very long descriptions, but this is more so for your simple drop shipping products, and I'm sure a lot of you will find this useful and that it will apply to you as well. So when you are on ChatGPT, you can simply find the GPT section here on the left hand side, and there's literally custom GPTs for anything you can think of. There's probably a ton for Shopify, but obviously I've used one from the start and it's been pretty reliable. But even if you search Shopify here, you can see there are a ton of different things SEO related. You've got coding experts for Shopify, a sidekick which probably handles a variety of things in terms of customer service as well as product research. But the one I'm using, you can see, is called e-commerce SEO product description writer. Now, essentially, if you copy and paste this into the GPT section, you'll be able to find it easily. Just to zoom in, that is the picture you're looking for. So what exactly do you do? Now, we're going to use this product here as an example. I've seen a few ads for it recently, actually. That's because I've traveled myself recently, so I'm getting hit with these sort of ads. So best way to do this, I'm going to keep it very simple. You want an image of your product, you want your product title, and then it will literally do everything else for you. So if we jump back in here, I'm going to quickly upload this image. Okay, now we're just going to quickly give this thing the product name. So we're going to go vacuum backpack for traveling. It may adjust the name, but that's what we're going with. It's essentially a backpack that you can stuff tons and tons of things in, and you can vacuum seal it. So basically you're fitting a suitcase worth of clothes in a backpack essentially. So once you send it this message, it will then give you a couple of questions, whether you're using this for Amazon, Shopify and things like that. And all you simply do, click number 1 here, give it the answers. So the first one here, what e-commerce platform are you using? We're obviously using Shopify in this instance. Number 2, would you like emojis in the description? No, we'd like to keep it professional. Number 3, do you have a specific product name or brand name? We are just going to call the brand name Deluxe Travel Backpacks is the brand name. And number 4, would you like to upload more images? We don't need to, because we're only really after a description. And you can see just like that, it's going to give you a great description. The reason I really like this as well is because it's not just going to give you paragraphs of loads of information that customers aren't really going to sit there and read. It gives you a fairly short first description, which really does outline some key features of the product that people are going to want to know. You can see it's got security lock, it's mentioned anti-theft, all of these different things it's already giving us based on the image and the title that we've not had to research ourselves, essentially, which again, going back to the points earlier, it's going to save you a ton of time. But these are the incredibly useful bits that it does for you. It gives you bullet points, it gives you why you should buy it, it gives you additional information and context based on the product. So because we've given this a vacuum sealed backpack as the product, it's given us some travel tips for it. A great example here, it's telling you to bring a small hand pump with you when you're traveling with this product, and already there that screams out to me, okay, I should be upselling my customers a small hand pump. And finally, a very useful FAQ section, which I like to use on a lot of my product pages. So straight away there, you don't have to spend 30-40 minutes writing a product description. Obviously, I don't recommend copy and pasting this entire description and just using that. Please read through it, remove any information that's not relevant or inaccurate, add more branded elements to the description if you need to. But it's a great way to get a good template that really does require not a lot of change. And like I said, especially if you're starting out drop shipping, it's going to save you a ton of time and give you a pretty good professional looking product description. Now, next up is going to be a tool completely free. Obviously, ChatGPT is free as well. There are paid plans, but this really is a fully 100% free tool that is built into the Google Ads platform, and it allows you to take boring white background product images and then turn them into incredibly realistic lifestyle shots. The reason I love this so much is because 1, it's free, but 2, it generates 8 images for you in honestly about 20 seconds, whereas if you try and replicate that output on ChatGPT, it takes about 4 minutes per image at the moment over there. So this really does speed up your creative process. You can find this in a number of places on the Google Ad account. So if you've got one, you'll be able to find it. If you've got PMax campaigns running, you'll be able to find that in the image editor in there. If you need any help getting this going for your e-commerce business, just drop me a message and I'll happily provide you with some help. But as we're on the topic of travel and backpacks, we're going to use that as the product example here. Okay, so you can see I've uploaded the image of the traveling backpack here. I'm not actually going to give it a prompt to begin with because I want to show you and to compare when you give it no prompt versus a prompt, because sometimes no prompt, it still can give you some very good results. So we're just going to let this load here, and boom, just like that, we've got 8 images that already are looking good and we've not even zoomed in yet. So let's take a look at some of these. Now you can upload up to 3 reference images, and ideally the more you upload, the better the accuracy is going to be of your product. This is a great image here. Just look at the way this sits perfectly on the bed. There's creases around the backpack, the shadows are perfect. It is just those small details there that really make it look like a real picture and not AI. So let's have a quick look. That's quite a good one as well, next to a suitcase, again showing it with some other travel items. Another great one next to a suitcase. This person is, yeah, that's an example of one that's not very good. But I used this tool in my last video and I said 9 times out of 10, or should I say 7 times out of 8, the images are very good. There's occasionally 1 or 2 that are quite weird, but that's going to happen with AI, isn't it? Let's try one more just to show you what the output is like when you put in a fairly detailed prompt. Okay, perfect. So the prompt we've given it here is show this backpack on a traveler's back in a busy airport, professional lighting, blurred background to keep the backpack in focus. Okay, let's have a look at the results. Brilliant. Perfect. Again, it's done exactly what we've asked for. It's kept the product absolutely 100% accurate. That's a very good one as well. I mean, they're all brilliant. Just look how good these images are. So this is a completely free tool. I use it every single day and it can literally generate you thousands and thousands of images every day for free. There's no tokens you have to use. There's no paid monthly subscription. There's no wait list if you generate too many images. I can't speak of it highly enough. For me personally, it is definitely one of my favorite AI tools at the moment, and it really has made one of the biggest differences to my business, allowing me to grow it exponentially in the last couple of months. Okay, next up is going to be a very professional quality AI video tool known as VO3. This is available from Google. I pay about $120 a month for this tool. It is very good at creating almost movie quality short video clips. Now, it certainly isn't the best AI tool to give you good quality videos of your product. It's quite hard to give it some reference in terms of images. essentially it's much better text prompt AI generator rather than giving it images and then using those images. For example, you can't give it images with people in it, and even if you try and give it an image of your product, it changes it too much. But let's say we're making a video ad for this traveling backpack and we want some B-roll in the video ad, perhaps showing someone really struggling to get all of their clothes into a small suitcase. And because that's sort of the before, you know, that's showing people the problem they might have, and then after you can have your own videos or maybe some other AI videos of the backpack resolving that issue. So I'm going to quickly type out a prompt here for that specific B-roll clip, and I'll just essentially show you how good the quality is. Now there are a few output qualities here, but we're going to go with VO3 quality. This gives you slightly better audio if that's what you're after. Generation time slightly longer. You can see it costs 100 credits, more expensive than some of the other options, but for the purpose of this video, it's going to be the best output. You can see the prompt I've given it. Someone is on their bedroom floor with a small suitcase in front of them. There are many clothes on the floor around the suitcase. The person's struggling to fit all the clothes into it. You get where I'm going with this. This would be a great clip to put at the start of a video ad, and then you introduce your product, which is the vacuum bag, which resolves this issue. So we're going to let this load. It will take about 3 minutes. Okay, so the video is generated. Another slight downside to this, especially if you're advertising on Facebook, is that 9 times out of 10, it's going to give you a aspect ratio that's cinema, you know, it's wide. Basically, it's not a square video. Obviously you can crop it down and things like that. You can sometimes give it some specific prompts to try and make it a square. I found a few online, they haven't worked really all the time. So let's just zoom in quickly. Let's see what this looks like. That's perfect, minus the bit at the end where the suitcase kind of like disappears. Though that first 5 seconds or so, and I don't know if you can hear this, but you can hear the noise. I mean, it's not a game changer really, but that is a perfect clip that, again, besides this bit at the end, but you'd cut that out. You could, 90% of people are not going to know this is AI, which is the key here. Yeah, perfect. Great shot. You've got all the messy clothes in the background as well, which emphasizes the issue that the product fixes. And you've got a stressed traveler that can't fit all their clothes in a suitcase. Yeah, brilliant. So these are the sort of clips that this tool is used for, that I use it for, should I say. It is the B-roll sort of in between when you're showing your products. And just to further show you how this tool works, you can even create what they call scenes. So if we click add to scene here, click the plus here, you can then extend this video here. So you can further extend this shot, or you can jump to, so perhaps we'll go, this person is now at the airport looking happy and they are wearing a black backpack. Obviously, like I said, I'm simply showing you this feature here, but the only downside to this tool, like I mentioned a minute ago, it is very difficult to get your product shown in these videos, and that is primarily because at this stage it is very good at text to video prompts, but you can't really give it direct images to work from. You can give it frames and then it will continue a frame. It's just not great, but I am going to show you an AI tool literally in a minute that is much better for getting actual videos of your actual product. Now, while we wait for this final video to generate in VO3, I just want to mention that using all these AI tools together is the key. Not using one just on its own is going to make a huge difference. It is the way you can combine different AI tools to create a brand new, efficient, cost-effective, creative output workflow for your e-commerce business. Now, it might seem daunting if you've got no experience using AI. That's why I am offering people help with this. You can message me on Instagram, Twitter, or X, or you could join my Discord and message me on there as well. It doesn't take too long to get used to this sort of thing. It's just about finding the right sort of method that suits your business and which tool really does work best. And obviously each e-commerce business is different. So if you do need help with implementing an AI workflow like you're seeing here, then please do drop me a message. Okay, so this clip has now generated, and again, this is actually perfect for this particular product. So it's going to then cut to her looking all happy. She's at the airport. She's using our product and it's resolved her issue. So she's gone from a stressed traveler, not being able to pack her suitcase, to a happy traveler because she's now managed to fit everything into a smaller backpack. So that is just a great example, and these clips could definitely be used in and amongst whether it's real videos of your product or AI videos of your product. But this is essentially what I use this tool for. But let's move on to the next one on how I generate extremely high quality videos of the actual product itself. So we're going to jump over to Poyo.ai. I showed this off in my previous video, but it goes perfectly in this video because this is essentially all of the tools that I use to grow my companies, you know, to make tons and tons of creatives for them that are really pushing pushing them to the next level. Now, I've already put in the prompt for this. I've uploaded, you can see here, one of the images that Google created us. I've put in a simple prompt. The person continues to walk through the airport, and this is the output. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. And if we just start again, just look how good this looks. You know, it's showing the product clearly. Everyone in the background is still blurred, so the focus is on the backpack, which is the focal point, which is the product you want to be showing off here. Yes, this is a paid tool. I pay about $120, $130 a month for this as well, but this is token based. You can see up the top here, it's sort of cut off, but I get 5,000 tokens a month. There are much cheaper options here. And if you are using this tool and you want to know what model I'm using for these videos, Kling 2.1 is definitely the best for this. So I'm actually going to do one more just to show you how good this is. And when you combine a few of these clips with a few clips perhaps from VO3, you literally have a recipe for a winning ad. So let's just use this image here. Just going to drag and drop this in. And again, it's a very different, you know, it's a male this time. He's wearing a business suit. You know, you could be targeting a completely different audience here, but we're going to use the same prompt. We'll take a look at the finished result in a minute, but just to talk about the last couple of AI tools I use within my workflow, I've talked about putting these video clips together with VO3. That isn't the finished product. I then go and use a tool called 11 Labs. This is a simple text to speech tool that allows me to type out a piece of text, and then you can choose from a ton of different voice actors, or should I say AI voice actors. You know, you can listen to them all, you can take your pick, you can write your prompt here. Perhaps you can use ChatGPT like we spoke about earlier to help you with a short script for your ad, but I like to keep these ads from 20 to 40 seconds long. So you could be like, actually here, can you now write me a short video script for an ad for this product? The video ad will be 30 seconds long. So let me just get a bit of help here from ChatGPT. So you can see here it's created me a short script. So I'm just going to quickly copy this over to the text to speech AI tool. So once this is in, all you do is click generate and it will literally generate something in about 5 seconds for you. Now you aren't going to be able to hear this output because I'm not currently recording the audio for my screen, but once you're happy with the outcome, you can keep generating this until you're pleased with the outcome, and all you then do, click download the latest one. That will download for you. Now to finish this off, I go ahead and put that MP3 audio file that we've just made on 11 Labs. I go over to an AI tool called Capwing, although this is more so just a video editing tool, but they do offer a great feature which allows you to auto generate subtitles based on the audio here. So you can see we've got the audio here. I know you can't hear it, but once I click auto generate subtitles, obviously you select your language, it auto selects it is English here. It will then generate subtitles for you that you can simply then export out, edit yourself onto Final Cut Pro, or send it over to your video editor yourself. But you can see here, we'll quickly play it. You can mess around with the colors and the styles up here, but you can just see how quickly that is. You've got easy to read, bold subtitles that you can use over your video ad. And obviously I've shown you already how you get your good quality AI video clips. And then to finish this all off, a good AI voiceover with some useful subtitles as well. So let's just quickly finish this off by jumping back over to Poyo.ai to see the outcome of this AI video. And I mean, this is even better than the other one, I think. There just are no words for it. I mean, I don't know if I'm overreacting, but I don't think I am, because I've seen the results firsthand on how powerful these tools can be. This workflow in Q4 is just going to be next level. So I can't stress enough, if you really want to implement something like this into your business, please drop me a message. I'm only going to work with a few people at one time for this. Now truly is the best time to get involved, because Q4 is going to quickly come around, and getting this set up correctly and a good workflow happening before Q4 is going to, you know, put you ahead of the competition. You're going to have tons more creatives being tested, which means you'll have more winners ready for Q4. Links to my Twitter, Instagram and Discord will be down below. If you have enjoyed, please drop a like. Make sure you subscribe for more videos on how you can implement AI into your e-commerce business. But other than that, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.